Good morning, Sage. I am here and ready to get started with everything we have planned for today.
Isaac, you need to put a stage 2 clutch and replace the throwout bearing on that C6 Corvette for the whole shot.
Yes, Sage, I am going to get on that clutch job now. I am going to pull the clutch, build the torque tube.
Let's install this stage 2 clutch so we can go out and race. Race.
When we install the clutch, we should pick up a ET and 60 foot. The C6 should pick up 2/10.
We need to replace this torque tube. This one is nothing but junk. We will put the parts and upgrade it and make it stronger. You honestly think that C6 is gonna crack 9 seconds? No way, the data doesn't lie. It's gonna be a 10 flat.
When the clutch is installed, it will bite harder than terror, biting into a bunch of bananas. The C6 Corvette is looking sharp. We should hit a 1.5 60 foot and run deep into the 10s today.
I am calculating those times based on the launch data now.
You better listen to me. That C6 Corvette will absolutely crush you in a race anytime, anywhere, so just stop talking now.
We have to do something about terror. He is on the phone, drumming up races in a Corvette that is not finished.
I will speak to Terra today. You know how he is. He gets too excited and all he does is race and talk smack. You need to try to control yourself because I do not want the S10 scene all over again and ending up in jail. Besides, the C6 ain't even finished yet.
The road like the S10. If I catch you out there, next time it's right to jail.
Let that cop try to catch us. You know that C6 is gonna run low 9s. She will never catch us out there.
If we grab that S10, we can finally get the parts we need.
That's right, and we can finish the C6 Corvette.
Sage, did we get the nitrous parts for the S10 so we could test it before we finish the C6 Corvette?
Isaac, I ordered the clutch parts for the C6 Corvette. We could jump back on that after we test the S10 nitrous.
Sage, you need to do a list of all parts for the rear on this Malibu and write it up.
Understood. Processing request now.
Isaac, I ordered all them parts for the Malibu, and I put it in the computer and scheduled it for this week.
Do you want me to start pulling the rear on that Malibu today? Stop being such a hurry. That job is for next week. We need to finish the C6 Corvette first.
What parts do we need for the Malibu? We need Mosher gears and a spool for a better 60 foot.
Spool gears and axles, we should pick up about 3/10 on the 60 foot and 2/10 on ET.
Talking smack and trying to race Cletus. We simply cannot compete with them at this level.
Thanks for watching Small Tire Monsters. Next video we are finishing the C6, the Malibu, and the S10 nitrous, and come along for the ride.
For the S10, so we can test if we had the torque tube parts and the clutch parts coming for that C6 Corvette. And we got the gears, axles, and spool on order for the Malibu. We got the nitrous parts coming for the S10, so we can test it. Soon we need to finish up the fuel supply for the nitrous and put a regulator on and pull timing so we could get a good test run just waiting on parts. Then we're going to jump back on all these jobs and get them done. Me, my AI buddy, and my AI girl assistant, and Draggy the crew is here, and we will get it all done. Once the nitrous and regulator are on the S10, we'll set the timing and do a test hit to make sure everything's safe for the C6 and Malibu. Once the gears, axles, clutch, and spool get here, we'll button them up and do a quick shakedown. And once we get those test runs done and make sure everything's holding, we'll button everything up, wipe down the bays, put the tools away, and get ready for the next round.
We just finished testing the line lock with my AI buddy, so please head over to YouTube and subscribe right now.
And when we test the nitrous, we'll keep it safe and off the street. Hopefully we don't get in trouble with the law like last time with S10.
We're just getting started on Small Tire Monsters. The Malibu is finally rolling out on its own, no more pushing it around the S10 is lit and snarling like it means business. Next time we're wrapping up the C6, getting the S10 locked in, and making the Malibu legit street ready. If you're not watching and want to see the S10 get locked and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and share it with anyone.